In this video, I am breaking down the crypto trading bot that's become a solid passive income stream for me. Among all the online income strategies I've experimented with, deploying this AI agent has completely transformed how I approach making money online. What's really fascinating is that artificial intelligence wrote the entire thing. So even if the technical details seem overwhelming, AI handles all the complex operations and automates everything on your behalf. This system searches for certain inefficiencies within the Ethereum network, mainly through transaction fees on decentralized platforms like Uniswap. Basically, the code performs a sandwich trade by monitoring the pool where unconfirmed transactions wait. Once it identifies suitable trades, it submits a marginally higher gas fee, positioning our transaction directly ahead of theirs, followed instantly by a sell order. This approach allows us to capture profit from the precise price movements triggered by those waiting transactions. Arbitrage opportunities like this have existed since the beginning of decentralized finance, but have only become a feasible income source with how good artificial intelligence is getting these days. You're going to need a wallet extension like this if you don't have one set up already. Most options will work just fine. After that, navigate to this platform. This interface is designed for deploying smart contracts straight onto Ethereum. All the links you'll need for this tutorial are in the video description. Start by creating a fresh file and give it a straightforward single-word name. This is the source code we're working with. As mentioned, you'll find this down in the description. Feel free to examine the code using whatever verification tool you trust, since it's fully open source. Paste it straight into your newly created file. The code includes comprehensive comments explaining each component. Now look at the sidebar and navigate to this section. These two versions need to align. If they're different, adjust it to match what's displayed at the top of the code. After that, I'm going to click here. Excellent. Time to link our wallet extension. Switch to this section, pick this choice from the drop-down, and hit connect once the window pops up. There we go, your account details will appear right here. Click this and approve. This costs less than $1 and covers a deployment fee for the network infrastructure. Perfect. Here's my dashboard for operating the bot. Just 3 functions, each one pretty straightforward. Now I press this to confirm everything deployed properly. Verify that these addresses are identical. This confirms you maintain full authority over the entire system. Next step is funding it with liquidity. 2 to 10 ETH delivers optimal results. There's no upper limit on your deposit. That said, based on my testing, efficiency begins declining past roughly 50 ETH. Higher liquidity enables the bot to execute larger volume transactions, increasing profit potential. Press this to copy your bot's address. Insert your bot's address, enter your selected amount, then send it. Excellent, the transfer is processed. Let me click this to confirm the system detected it. All set, time to activate it. Hit the start function here and approve the transaction. Done. It's actively trading now. I'm going to let this run in the background and come back with an update shortly. Alright, it's been running for a few hours. Let me check the status by clicking this. Not bad at all, especially since it responds to live market activity. Results will constantly vary depending on blockchain traffic and current volatility. For this demonstration to be thorough, I'll leave it operating for the rest of the day. So it's been a complete 24-hour cycle now. Time to review our results. Very impressive. In the terminal, you can observe every routing decision and transaction the contract processed. I like this because it lets you examine the trading bot's complete activity instead of just displaying final numbers with no transparency. Once you're ready to collect your earnings, simply press this button and approve it. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. Please remember this content is purely educational and I'm not a licensed professional. Nothing presented here should be interpreted as certified financial guidance. I'm simply documenting my own journey. You'll find my contact information in the description for any questions. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. More videos like this are coming real soon.